Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Bannerjee. आज risk environment is quite positive with the Chinese and the Hang Seng stocks moving higher. Dollar index is flat. US bond yields are also flat. And oil prices, which dipped below 98 on the Brent, is now stabilizing around 101. So इसका मतलब dollar rupee is going to open gap down, possibly around 76.45 levels on the March futures, करीब 20 पैसा lower. So what we have seen in this range-bound choppy movement over the past few trading sessions, that gaps get filled. So that's what we have to see intraday, whether this 20 paisa gap, if it opens around 45, the dollar rupee tries to fill this or not. जैसे कल वो किया था, gap down open किया था, then it did a sharp intraday pullback and it filled the gap and went a little above. Overall, अगर हम लोग price action देखें और global market scenario देखें, तो the dollar rupee looks to be in a range between 76 and 77. So yes, but within this range there is a slight tilt downward, और वो downward bias is intact as long as dollar rupee is not trading above 76, 75 sustainably on spot. So एक downward tilt, downward bias बना हुआ है. How now to express this through positions? एक, because there is a broad range in view, so you can sell ranges. Intraday में you can sell straddles या strangles, which is unhedged, but when you're carrying positions overnight या over the weekend, because आज रात को Fed meeting है, so it is advisable to stick to hedge strategies. For example, butterflies, iron condos, iron flies, all these kind of things. आप अगर futures के through short करना चाहते हो because there is slight tilt downward, then wait for a pullback, because as I said, अगर 20 पैसा gap down से open हो रहा है to go and short, then it is risky. So it is better to wait for a pullback, and then you can sell because your stop loss will be 76, 75 on spot basis. उसके ऊपर अगर डॉलर पे ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, then you have to exit your shorts on the futures. But आप अगर overnight position को carry कर रहे हो through futures, then you keep in mind you are subject to this event risk of Fed, which is आज रात को. So your position should be small, and it is better if you want to express your short view overnight, then do it through options, for example, a put spread, etc. So again, I'll summarize. It's a broad range between 76 and 77. Usme there is a halka sa downward bias because of the price action and the fall in the oil prices. But that halka sa bias ka jo view hai, that is intact as long as dollar rupee is not trading above 76, 75 on the spot level. Crosses में GBP INR में थोड़ा सा रिकवरी देखा जा सकता है intraday because the global resentment is better, and Thursday is Bank of England policy meeting where the BOE is expected to hike interest rates, and Euro INR 2 may see some recovery intraday. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.